Brought to you by Subscribe Today. Jack Goff has been handed a lifeline to take part in the British Touring Car Championship as he will replace Mike Bushell in a Team Hard Volkswagen CC for 2019. Bushell has had to stand down for budget reasons but will remain with the squad and tackle the Renault UK Clio Cup instead. Goff, who finished 8th in the standings in 2018 in the Eurotrack Racing Honda Civic Type R, announced in the middle of February that he had given up on his plans to chase a return to the grid in 2019 as he had been unable to secure the backing. However, the four-time BTCC race winner has now tied up a deal with Tony Gillam's Kent-based squad. He made his debut in the series with the same team in 2013. The 28-year-old will get his first run in the car at the championship's official media day at Brands Hatch on Wednesday this week. He will join Bobby Thompson, Carl Bordley and Michael Kreese at the team. Goff said, "Tony gave me my first break in touring cars and it's an amazing feeling to be back with the team, who have come on an awful lot. It's been an incredible 24 hours and I have to say a massive thank you to Tony, the team and my current partners. I drove the car in 2014 and have seen its upturn in form during the second half of 2018 with Mike Bushell and Bobby Thompson behind the wheel. I've spoken to my new teammates who have told me what the team have done with the car over the winter and I have full confidence that we will be on the pace from the get-go despite my obvious lack of testing." Team boss Gillam said that Bushell would remain a chief part of the team and would have input into the BTCC arm as well as racing the Renault Clio. "We are in great shape for the season ahead and despite it being a very hard decision, we now have to focus on doing the best job possible," said Gillam. "Mike has been an important factor in our upturn in performance and will remain a key team member for the future. For us to get this all in place before it all begins at Media Day this Wednesday was vital for our season's plans." The British Touring Car Championship kicks off at Brands Hatch on April 6 to 7. Complete 2019 BTCC line UPWSR BMW, Colin Turkington, Tom Olive and Andrew Jordan. Team Dynamics Honda, Matt Neal, Dan Camish Power Max Racing Vauxhall, Jason Plato, Rob Collard Motorbase Performance Ford, Tom Chilton, Ollie Jackson, Nick Hamilton Speedworks Motorsport Toyota, Tom Ingram Sicily Motorsport Mercedes, Adam Morgan, Daniel Rowbottom BTC Racing Honda, Josh Cook Chris Smiley Team BMR Subaru, Ash Sutton, Senna Proctor AMD Tuning Honda, Sam Tordoff, Rory Butcher Laser Tools Racing Mercedes, Aidan Moffat Simpson Racing Honda, Matt Simpson Team Hard Volkswagen, Jack Goff, Carl Bordley, Bobby Thompson, Michael Kreese Team Parker Racing BMW, Stephen Jelly XLR8 Motorsport MG, Rob Smith, Sam Osborne Trade Price Cars Audi, Jake Hill, Mark Blundell. Share this article on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, email.